First, download MT5 Dashboard Scanner to your computer. Then, open your MetaTrader 5 platform and click on File from the top menu. Select Open Data folder. This will take you to the root directory of your MT5 installation. Navigate to MQL5 folder. Then click on Exports. This is where you will save the Dashboard Scanner file. Go back to MetaTrader 5. Click View. Navigator. Right-click in the Expert Advisors and click Refresh. Drag the scanner onto the chart and adjust its inputs as needed. Then, click OK. It will be loaded to the chart once this bar has been completed. That's it. You are now ready to use the dashboard scanner on the MetaTrader 5 platform. It is showing you nice interface of all currencies and their signals.